Hey everyone, I wanted to introduce you to a new website I've been working on. It's called learnbio.org. It is intended for children to learn about neuroscience and really, hopefully, eventually, all of biology. It's game oriented, it's very interactive. All of the artwork I did in Adobe Illustrator, and I plan on in the next few weeks to provide instructional videos of how to create some of these more interactive, responsive images for the internet. And I've got lots of things. I click on a virtual microscope. You can click and hold and look at a real neuron. This is great for kids. I mean, it's very educational. You can change and look at different types of neurons. I've got diagrams that I've drawn in Adobe Illustrator, and you can see there's some animation, and you can highlight certain areas with the name, and a little info box pops up. And I think this would be a great learning experience for y'all, so you can kind of see what you can draw in Adobe Illustrator. And again, I'm going to be doing instructional videos. I even have this coloring book, so you can actually color the different different
Soma.
So it actually calls the name. So I don't know if you heard that was Soma, but
Schwann cell.
So you have little stickers that you can move around. And again, I'm going to be showing how to do all of these things. I've got a little interactive diagram here where they can play games. I've got ion channels where they can activate different ion channels, and it's just very fun for the kids. I mean, they can activate a neurotransmitter receptor and see the ions flowing through there. Again, I did all of this in Adobe Illustrator, and then what I did is I animated things with JavaScript and CS styling and HTML. And again, I'm gonna hopefully in the next few weeks have some videos showing you how to do all of those things. So see what else I got. Synapse here. You can see a lot of animation going on there. Anyways, wanted to introduce you to that, and check it out. Visit the website. I'd love to get your reactions. Put your commentary on the comments of this video. Also, but more importantly, have your kids play with it. I think they will really love it. My kids really love the coloring book. So I got a coloring book here, and they really love this. So tell me what you think.